Super exciting day for us, right? We finally made it here.
I'm so excited.
Abby is more than excited about this. You guys know how we love our train rides. We have officially made it here to Ely, Nevada at the Nevada Northern Railway here in Ely. This place is, it's a National Historic Site, and I've tried to learn a little bit about this railway here. And what I understand is that this place was somehow preserved after it closed down, and then a society organized to come in here and save it and preserve it, turn it into a working museum with lots of different train rides. All of the buildings here were preserved. They have the machine shop here. They have them, the shop where they work on the steam locomotives. They have some other outbuildings here that have some significance to it. And we're hoping that we can get a tour. We're supposed to be able to. We have to come in there and see if we can contact, I think it was Mike Hughes, the curator of education here. And we're going to see if he can give us a tour either today or tomorrow. We're kind of flexible, so we may end up doing the train ride today. And might come back tomorrow to see if we can get more of a tour of the grounds and the facility here. But
every time I think about it.
Yeah, this is going to be a great train ride. So today we're mainly focusing on the train ride, but we're definitely going to be trying to get a good tour of everything here. So we're just going to kind of go with the flow and see what happens. American Locomotive Company. So what do we got?
Okay, so this was built in 1908. It was altered in 1917 and then enlarged in 1941. This says that the machine shop contains, I'm sorry, that's not right. Most of the machinery in this room is original to the railroad and are still used by railroad mechanics and machinists to maintain the historic equipment.
Absolutely.
That is so sexy.
Yep. The great thing about machine tools is that they're kind of timeless. I mean, as long as you maintain them, you can use them for 100 years plus, and they will continue to make parts and repair for you as you need. So, machine shop and engine house, building number 16. Let's see if we can go in there and check it out. We still got some time.
Yeah. Oh, good. How are you?
Wow. This is
This is the shop. That door's the engine house.
Okay.
There's 3 rooms in the back.
all right. So we are in the machine shop, and you can tell it's loud and noisy. They're doing work because it's a functioning shop. But they said that we're allowed to walk around and check it out, and that's what we're going to do. Look at this machine shop glory right here, right behind me.
I was going to say the first thing in the door.
Right behind the shaper. That is awesome. American Tool Works. American Tool Works is the same company that built my American pacemaker lathe.
This place is huge.
I can see some big lathes over there, a big slaughter over there. They have a VTL, vertical turret lathe. You have some engine lathes right here, drill press. There's a big radial arm drill press. That is a Lucas horizontal boring mill right over there. And lots of support tools and equipment in here to go with everything. Right inside this is a sterret box.
Sterret.
See the sterret box?
Of course.
This is going to be great.
Yes.
So we'll walk around and see if we can get a shot of all the machines here. All right, so we're at the shaper. How about we just take a walk through and kind of take a look at everything and see what they have. This is a really cool, old school Lincoln electric welding machine right here. We've got the 2 engine lathes. Come over here and check out the vertical turret lathe. I was wondering if it was a King, but I wasn't sure, so it is. The King Machine Tool Company. So another machine that was built in Cincinnati. This looks like one that they're working on, doing some repair work. let's keep on looking. They got lots of vices in here too, so we'll be checking those guys out. That one kind of looks like a Princess. I'm not sure. I can't tell, but let's
Big one, huh?
let's keep checking everything out. So here's your Lucas horizontal boring mill. I used to have a horizontal borer mill. It was a Kearns. They're such great versatile machines. You can do so much work on these guys. Really cool. You see all the hand scrape. There's your half moon flaking for oil on the ways. It looks like the ways are in still good condition. Drill press. Let's see what this one is. So the drill press here is a Barnes, W.F.&J. Barnes Company, Rockford, Illinois.
Hi.
Got the standard tool company decimal chart. I just noticed this right here. I have never seen one of these. I'm gonna have to ask them what they use this for. The DE Whitten Machine Company, New London, Connecticut. I think we drove through New London when we were in our visit. I think we went through New London.
I believe so.
I'm not sure what they use this for. I'm gonna have to find out. It looks like a drill of some sort. You have a chuck right here that holds something, and then you have a drill chuck that's going to be spun by the electric motor. It just looks like a horizontal drill. That is cool. I've never seen one. Such a cool little machine. All right, so here's our manual lathes. This one right here is another American Tool Works, Cincinnati, Ohio. "24-inch lathe. I don't know the make of this. Let's find out. Can you see the maker? What is this one?
American Tool Works.
It is another American Tool Works. I was wondering if it was, but it's a really old belt-driven lathe that I'm not familiar with. You can see your flat belt is going to go up to this guy right here. So they've got a line shaft set up right up here, running this lathe, and it looks like another, I'm not sure what that is, another type of lathe of some sort. Got built line shaft system in here. Smells good in here, doesn't it?
So good.
This is a Parker vise here. Really old school machine right here. So this would have been, I'm thinking 20s or pre-20s. See if this is another American Tool Works lathe right here. I believe it is. So I was wrong about the small lathe. This is a LeBlanc right here on the tag. LeBlanc Manufacturing Company. Very early lathe. Abby found the radial arm drill press. Those are just so cool, aren't they?
Yes.
So that one's made by Cincinnati Gilbert.
It's a cool tag.
Bryant Machinery and Engineering Company, Chicago. We love the old tags.
Yeah.
I mean, just look how cool they are. This is a machine here I'm not exactly 100% familiar with, but I think it's a threading machine used for bolt and pipe threads. And it is made by Landis Machine Company, Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. So it looks like threading dies in here. This is probably the clamp. You'd run your material up, that's spinning, and it's going to thread. Again, running off the line shaft. Very cool. I got a brake here for bended metal. And look at the grinding station back here. Check this out. Really cool oil can. It says steam oil. That one's really cool. That is a big boy right there. It looks like 4-inch wide grinding wheels on it. I'm not familiar with what that make is. I can't make out. I'll have to get a picture. They got the start stop right on top of the maker there. It's very early. Check out the motor running that guy. Wow. Well, they got a wire wheel on this. This is more like a buffer polisher setup right here. There's another pedestal grinder. U.S. Electrical Tool Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. And then this guy, look at this.
That's so cool.
That is so cool right
huge.
there. I'm trying to remember the make of what this one could be. Oh, it slips my mind.
Oh, it's right here.
Tell us.
Pacific Gear and Tool Works. Is that
Pacific
right?
Gear and Tool Works.
Yeah. Yep.
That's on the motor.
Oh, is that? Oh,
I wonder if that's
just
on the
motor?
housing too. But that's probably who it is, because that looks like it goes with this guy right here. Very cool. Oh, the little baby Bridgeport mill right there.
This place is great.
It's a South Bend lathe. Nice long bed lathe here too. These are some of the parts off of that engine that they're restoring. Now here's a pipe threader made by Rigid. Another big boy vise right here. I think that's going to be a Prentice. Yep, there it is. Prentice. With a classic splitting of the dynamic jaw body right there. See that? But that's still a good vise, and it's going to continue to work for probably another 100 years. They've got a vertical press here. OTC Tools. There's a lot of your tooling for the horizontal borer mill. Looks like 40 taper. They've also got the Morse taper spindle in that guy as well. You can see this is your Morse taper. This one looks like a number 6 Morse taper. That's a number 5. They were doing some milling on that guy. So there's DJ the cat.
I'm gonna pet him.
Here's Dirt the cat. And DJ. I love that right there. Sorry about the glare. We got the window. Muser and Company, big swing lathe. So I'm wondering if the big lathes are going to be a Niles. I'm not sure. I can see it behind the lead screw there. Pond Works, Plainsville, New Jersey. We'll check that out. Try to block the glare there a little bit. I like their toolboxes. This is a well working shop right here. There's your vertical slaughter, Betts. So it is a Niles. Niles Bennett Pond Company. Maybe this was before it was just called the Niles. I believe it was Niles Toolworks. Niles Bennett Pond Company, Pond Works, Plainville, New Jersey, USA. Very cool. So your vertical slaughter, it's like a big shaper turn up. That's a big boy. All right, let's check out the big wheel lathe. Pretty sure this is going to be a Niles also. I'm not sure what the make is. Some of the letters are missing, actually. That's weird. You guys will probably recognize it. We'll get some answers on what this guy is. That is a big press right there, horizontal press. So I guess they use that to press the axles out of the wheels. But so they got an axle set up in here. It's a good example of what they use these lathes for. Horizontal press. We got a pit in the ground there. Gives you a good working height there whenever you're using it. Media blast cabinet. This is more of a late model. Tool room. Sounds like the air compressor's in here, but check it out. Look at all the taps. You got your Morse taper drill bits right here. Air compressor. That's an Ingersoll Rand. Look at this.
Cool.
Isn't this beautiful?
It's awesome.
And then you got your reamers, you got taps. Look at that. That's a Morse taper reamer right there. Looks like a number 7 Morse taper. I'm not sure what those guys are. Tooling for one of the machines, obviously. The wood cabinets. Man, that is so cool. This is some kind of workbench here where they're working on different parts and pieces. That's a reed vise. It looks like a test bench there as well. So I'm not sure what they use this for, but it's got some other equipment hooked up to it, so they're using it to test some components. Lincoln SA welder. You're loving that room, aren't you?
Yes, it's my favorite one.
This is Abby's honey hole right here.
No matter where you look, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Tell us what you like about this room.
It smells amazing. It's very organized. It's old looking and it's machining stuff, so it's awesome. I love it.
Want to check out the engine house?
Yes, of course I do. Ooh.
Look at this.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Come on in. This one does not feel heated.
No, but
They just say
look
keep
at
the door
these
closed. They want to keep the heat in there.
Beautiful.
So I
trains.
recognize this as the building that the Ghost Adventurers ran
Okay.
when they did their investigation.
Maybe I caught some ghosty apparitions in my pictures.
I hope you did.
Me too.
Looks like they have lots of good information for each one of the engines and the locomotives.
Is this not just the most beautiful place?
It absolutely is. This has been so far a wonderful experience.
Yeah.
We haven't even been on the train yet. I'm just so thankful that they let us come
Me
in.
too.
And, I mean, they
It
had
was
no
nice to
problem
be able
just
to
letting us
just
in.
do
and
our own thing, and
I like their motto. I mean, it's just be safe, don't fall in the pits, and don't touch anything.
simple.
Very simple. Look at the stove here, wood-fired stove that they use for some heat.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, wow, the snow plow. Look at that guy. Rotary snow plow. This thing looks quite frightening standing in front of
Wow.
it.
I was not expecting that.
You see what it is?
What is it? It's a snowplow.
Yes.
That is amazing. Wow. Look how big this is.
It's a monster.
That is a lot of moving parts right there, isn't
Yep.
it? This is just,
You don't even know what to say.
this is ridiculous.
But let's check out. So this is the crane right here.
This
They
one
call
right here?
it the Big Hook, another 1907 Industrial Works of Bay City, Michigan.
Look at that beautiful tag.
Wrecking crane.
That is another amazing.
Such
Oh
a
my
cool
gosh,
machine.
it's so cool.
Look at the gears up
I
there.
didn't even
and
go
the
back far
crane.
enough. Wow. Okay, this is so good. Can you tell that I love trains? This is amazing.
God, look at that winch. That is massive.
This is amazing. This is one of the coolest things I've seen.
I agree. Look at the size of that
I mean,
hook
it's
right there.
crazy. How much weight can that lift? Did it say?
I didn't read, so I don't know that.
I'm gonna have to ask.
We'll find out. So it was right here on the tag that we saw earlier, 80 tons with a 20-foot radius.
That is crazy.
So 20 foot on each side there.
I'm happy.
Such a great place. I can hear the train moving out there.
We're missing stuff.
We're missing it, but we're seeing some great stuff in here. So I think we're going to work our way out there to the depot
Yeah.
and kind of get ready for our train ride. This has been great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. How about right here then?
Okay.
This look good?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to go forward?
Sure. Hopefully they don't put people against each other because you can see just how close it is.
No room.
This is going to be great. Oh yeah, they got seats on here too. I'm looking forward to getting some of the good views out here on the open air car. It's about to get a little smoky. Well, that was totally cool. You could feel the humidity in the tunnel from the steam, and it was totally pitch black dark in there. You can feel the embers coming down from the smokestack. And we're going to hit another tunnel. That is cool. Good stuff. What do you think of the train ride so far? Liking it? We haven't been on a train ride we haven't enjoyed.
That's true. It's really hard for me not to enjoy it.
Lots of mining history here. They've been talking about it. Everywhere you look, to the left and the right, there's lots of tailings, leftovers from the mining that used to take place here. And they do a good job of explaining all the history along the ride, so you can learn a little bit about the history of the area here. Look at all the mining activity up here. It's incredible.
We will be pausing here for a moment to let
Go back in, hurry.
Oh, they're doing the blow off. Came out here to join me, huh?
Had to.
So check out these railroad crossings here. Coolest.
We get it!
I think this is going to conclude our train ride for the day.
What a perfect place to do a closeout. Oh,
It is a
I don't
great-
have my mic.
Oh, there you go.
Maybe we should start over.
No, let's go with it.
Okay.
It's a great place to do a closeout and to say happy 5th anniversary.
Thank you, baby. Ooh.
5 years ago today, we were in Nevada,
Yes,
in
we
Las
were.
Vegas.
That's crazy.
at
We
the
did
Little
not
White
plan
Chapel.
it this way either, did we?
No?
I never even thought about our. Sorry.
We thought about it like earlier, like I don't know, a month or two ago, but
Yeah.
today we didn't even think about it.
I never even.
We just got up and we did it.
Another just wonderful day that we had was what it is. I'm glad
This-
we rode the train for our anniversary. It makes
Yeah,
sense.
this is great. We love train rides and we want to get in every train that we can.
Yes.
And we came all the way here to Ely specifically so that we could see the railway here, take a train ride, take a tour,
Yep.
and that's what we did.
Yes.
So this is going to conclude the ride portion of the video that we're doing here. And there goes the train. Great place to do a closeout.
We did choose the right place. What was in the engine house was just.
Yeah, it was fabulous.
It was awesome. So.
We had a great time in there in the engine house.
Yeah. we
Seeing
did.
all the engines and all the equipment that they have that they store there.
Yeah.
This has been fantastic.
Yes.
A really great train ride. You guys got to check this out. Come down here to Ely, Nevada, and support this place. They've done a great job of preserving it,
Yes, they have.
saving it, and having it set up so that any of us can come here and enjoy it.
That's exactly right. Any time is a good time to ride a train.
Today was a great day. It was nice and cool.
It was.
The mountains look beautiful with all the snow still
Yes.
up in them.
Yes.
And we absolutely love the train. So this has been a great time.
This wasn't a hike, but I still need to carb load, I think. Do
We're
you
gonna
want- do
we're
you
gonna
want-
go into town. Maybe we can find us some lunch.
Yeah.
And then from here, we're actually going out to one of the local state parks to camp for a couple of nights before we head back east.
Yes.
It's been a good day, babe.
It's been a really good day.
I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you on the next video.